Sometimes you have to play the role of a fool to fool the fool that think they're fooling you. I have to do that a lot. Well, I used to do it a lot. I really don't associate myself with people like that no more. Run in the draw!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. And today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, y'all already know what it is. Blessings to everybody in their family today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Welcome to Team EE's merch collection. We got Dewey EE. We got Face Mask EE. Face Mask EE. Ski Mask EE. Everybody who be asking about how the stuff look, there you go. Bunny EE. They go to Bunny. That's Bunny EE. Huh? Alright. And a lot of y'all be asking about the t-shirts. A lot of y'all ask about my t-shirts. These are the t-shirts. These are the t-shirts, y'all. They stretch a lot. Look. This is a medium. Look how much it stretch. This is a medium. And it goes right back. It bounced back. Good quality. Everybody who wanted merch, y'all see the number right there. I love y'all. It's a Red Pearl production. It's a Red Pearl production. Why ain't locking in on that Red Pearl sign? Lock in on that Red Pearl sign. There we go. Yes, sir, ski. That's that pink lemonade, y'all. Y'all got a big old bag of goodies. Ooh. I got a big old bag of goodies, y'all. Shout out my boy Chef Knock. Chef Knock. Chef Knock. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all go to Red Pearl. Ask for Chef Knock. Tell him KinggEATEAT sent you. Ooh, hold on now. I think I got some stuff I ain't asked for. I always get some stuff I ain't asked for. Hold on. Oh, he gave me the black box special today. The black box special. I got the black box special. Man, listen, I'm gonna tell y'all this right here. Ooh. If y'all ain't going to Red Pearl for y'all seafood, man, listen, I don't know what y'all alright? I've been trying to put y'all up on it. I've been trying to put y'all up on it for the longest. I don't know what else y'all want me to tell you. Shout out to all the people that be going to Red Pearl. You know what I'm saying? And telling them that your boy sent you. You know what I'm saying? The one and only. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm telling y'all. Y'all know me. I got a big seafood thing coming real soon. Y'all know y'all be like when I eat the seafood, but I ain't just no big seafood eater, but I'm finna do it for y'all because I know y'all really like when I finna do it. But like I said, y'all know me. Ooh. Y'all look at these wings, man. Just look at these. I'm gonna try to show y'all these. I don't know if y'all can really see them. Ooh, them things is fire. Boy, hold on, boy, I'm finna pull this up out of here. I'm finna pull this whole thing up out of here. Y'all got me messed up. Queen don't want some of these, but get what? Get what? She gonna be mad today. Oh, look at them things. Oh my God. Chef know you wrong for that. You know you wrong for that, Chef. Look at them things. Look at them wings, y'all. Ooh, them things is beautiful. And they taste even better than they look. Oh my God. Y'all listen. I listen. Oh, y'all get what I get. Get what I got. I don't know if y'all know nothing about this right here. This that sauce right there, y'all. Have y'all ever had fried gator? That fried gator right there, y'all. Try to let it lock in on. Why it ain't locking in? It acting crazy today. Y'all listen. Now let's get to it now. Y'all listen. Trust me when I tell y'all this. Trust me when I tell y'all this. I know a lot of y'all probably saying, King, I don't know about no fried gator now. I get it. I get it. I promise you I do, right? But let me tell y'all this. Y'all look at this seafood pasta. I get this every time I go up there. I get that seafood pasta every time I go up there. I have to have it. Y'all got that on the edge of the table. If it falls, I'm going to cry like a newborn baby. I promise you I am. And it's going to be everybody's fault except mine. Should I wear my red Pier thing? Sure, King, you should wear it. Why not? Why not wear it, King? Look at me. Look at your boy. Red Pier. Uh-huh. There's a fish in there. Hold on. What did you do with that? Hold on, y'all. I get real excited when I get that red Pier now. I get real excited. This is a red Pier pre-production. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it right. Where I want this at? I'm gonna put this. This my garlic bread right here, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna make it look real good for y'all, cause I gotta. Hold on. Well, look at them big old jumbo scripts up in that thing. Oh my God. I don't want that much. That's enough. That's enough, King. That's enough. Don't do it to him. Don't do it to him, King. I ain't gonna do it to him. I ain't gonna do it to him. Oh, I ain't gonna do it to him. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Don't let me do too much. Don't let me do too much, y'all. Sit there right there. Hold on. But wait, there's more. Y'all, if y'all chef ain't preparing y'all corn that look like that right there. Look at that corn. Hey, why my stuff ain't locking in? You know what? This is making me mad. Oh my God. I'm gonna say Queen one of them corns. I ain't gonna be greedy today, y'all. I'm being real nice today. I'm being real nice today. Hold on, sit this right here. I gotta put me a few pieces of this gator on here, y'all. This gator. Now listen, next time y'all go, Trust in your boy. Get y'all some gator. Get y'all some fried gator, okay? Get y'all some fried gator. Be like, just trust me. I know y'all probably gonna be like, man, I don't know about no gator, King. King was like that too. I was the same way. I don't know about that now. I don't know about that. But trust me, y'all. Trust me. Have I ever steered y'all wrong? Have I ever steered y'all wrong? Hold on. I'm gonna have to cue it on this. Because I want y'all to see all the little details. I want y'all to see how good that pasta. Look at that pasta. Look at that pasta. Look at that pasta. Look at them big old chunks of shrimp and chicken in that pasta. Look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that chicken. Y'all, that chicken so good. That chicken so good. It's magnificent. Look at that fried gator. Look at that fried gator. Look at that corn. Look at that corn on that thing, boy. Look at that pasta one more time. All right, come on up off of it. Come on up off of it. Y'all done seen enough. I'm finna eat it now. Y'all done seen enough. Look at that. Ooh! Oh, make me mad. It's so good. Look at them big old. Look at that. Look at them big old shrimps. Look at them. So good. It's just so good. Oh my God. Listen to me, y'all. Listen to me. I know some of y'all listen to me. Some of y'all already know. I read breaking down. Some of y'all already know. But for the one who don't know, and still kind of iffy about it, listen to me. I feel like I'm choking. But now listen. If y'all ain't had that seafood chicken pasta, I'm gonna tell y'all this. You're not gonna find this kind of food nowhere else. Go on down there, the red print there, don't KinggEATEAT sent you. Tell Chef Knock what you want. Now y'all, this chicken, it looks like chicken. It tastes like chicken. It is chicken, but it's not of this planet. This chicken is from a whole nother atmosphere. I don't know what he put in it, and I don't care. But I know one thing. I'm glad he did whatever he did to it. Let me give me a step on my drink. Ah! That is delicious. Queen better hope I don't get the other corn there. I hope it. Now look. At Red Pier, right? Some nights they have a live band. Sometimes they have a DJ, karaoke. It's a whole vibe. They got the bar. You just chilling, you want somewhere to go, you and the family. Y'all want to enjoy some nice food. Positive atmosphere. Go to Red Pier. Don't forget to tell them King E sent you. When y'all go, when y'all get that fried gator, my grandma called me one time. I was at Red Pier, right? My grandma said, "What you doing?" I said, "No, grandma, we have to eat." "Oh, okay, what you eating?" I said, "I'm eating some fried gator." "Fried gator?" I said, "Yeah, grandma, fried gator." "Now, I know you ain't eating no fried. I know you ain't eating no gator." I said, "Grandma, you never had no gator?" "No." And I had a lot of different stuff, squirrel, and I ain't no gator in there. Ain't no gator. Grandma, I'm gonna tell y'all this. If you didn't know this was fried gator, you would think it's just a real tender piece of chicken. I'm telling you. Order it and give it to a kid and tell him it's some chicken. And give them that little dipping sauce. And then be like, "You like your chicken?" "Yeah, now. It's good too, yeah." I'm telling you. I'm gonna like it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have to clear my palate before I take this chicken. Well, this chicken gonna be fine. I don't want to have no other flavor in my mouth when I eat that chicken. None. It's that good. Go up there and say, "Chef, I want that chicken King E had on his plate. That's the chicken I want." Ah! Woo! Look at that thing, boy. It got the little spice, just a little kick to it. It got a little hint of sweetness. Or just a zang, just a zap. Man. If I sit here and eat all this chicken, Queen gonna go ham. She gonna be real mad, y'all. Cause it's the whole box. No, this is delicious. I'm telling y'all now. I can do this. I don't know what this ranch for. Can you give me that to dip the chicken? I hope I don't mess up my flavor. Let me see. Is that blue cheese? That is good. Oh my. Yeah. I like that. Queen's never there. I don't know now. Y'all, Queen went up there and ate. Her and my daughter, they sat in. She ain't gonna tell me if she already had some wings or not. And look. No, I'm having the time of my life. Listen, y'all. I'm gonna say this. I almost forgot. So, it was this lady, right? She texted me on Facebook. And she was like, how you doing, King? I love your shows and you really motivate me and stuff like that, right? And she was like, I got a question. Oh, excuse me. If you don't mind, can you answer that on the show? She was like, I want to know what I got to do to get ahead in life. She was like, I work. Oh, I'm getting low. She was like, I work. I try my best to stay positive and stuff like that, right? So I was like, so what do you do on a day-to-day basis other than work? He was like, well, I kind of go out with my friends. I kind of go out with my friends and, you know, we go out and kick it and go to the clubs and stuff like that, right? So I was like, what is it that you want to do? In life, what is it that you want to do? She was like, she want to open her own boutique. Y'all know I'm unplugged because I didn't even know what a boutique was at first. I'm like, oh, okay. I was like, so let me ask you this. When you go out to these clubs and day parties and events and all this kind of stuff, are you promoting your brand when you go? No. Are you networking? No, not really, no. So, you got this vision that you want to own your own boutique, open your own boutique up. But in reality, you're doing the complete opposite than what needs to be done to open this boutique, right? Because take me for example. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with going out having a nice time. I understand that. But if you got a business or an idea or a brand that you're trying to get off the ground and you at ground zero, and you going out partying having a good time, what are you doing? That's not the mindset you gotta have. I look at it like this. I'm gonna work right now, so later on I don't have to. I'm gonna work right now so I can party later. You partying right now, which means you're gonna have to work later. See, the way I think, in my head, I look at it like, party for what? What am I celebrating? Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't celebrate your victories. Because I feel like you should. But I feel like this. Now again, this is how I live my life. I'm not looking for validation from nobody else to tell me whether I'm wrong or right. Like I said, I'm just a guy that like to eat. And I just love to talk and give my opinion on stuff. But I feel like if you don't have something going in your life, you have no business up in somebody's club. Unless you're working. Now, if you don't care about what you got going in life, and you just want to party hard, by all means, party hard. I'm not knocking nobody from doing anything. But all I'm saying is, if you want to be successful in this world, you have to surround yourself with people who trying to get where you trying to go, or who has already been where you headed to. So let me tell you this. The way my mind's set up right now, I have zero time to waste. I'm just being honest. I understand. It's okay to bust a move every now and again and let your hair down. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Excuse me. But you up in somebody's club, somebody's party every weekend, and you ain't where you need to be in life, and you ain't getting paid to be there? To each his own. Like I said, this is how I think for my life. Some of y'all be up in the club because y'all don't got nothing else to do. But let me tell you this. If you got dreams, if you got goals, if you just set certain things in place for yourself, for your future, there's always something to do. Always. Now, Queen will tell y'all, she'll roll over sometime. 2, 3 in the morning. I'm up. My vision, my proper planning won't let me sleep. Sometimes I can't sleep. Because I'm always thinking about something. I'm always jotting stuff down in my notes. I'm always adding to my vision board. Some of the people y'all hang around wouldn't even understand if you asked them what was on their vision board. They wouldn't even know what you're talking about. But us, the ones who actually have goals and dreams, you gotta have a vision board. For those of y'all who don't know what a vision board is, It's just something that you write down all your hopes and dreams on. Just write it down. I had to learn that, y'all, that whatever you want in life, whatever you ask God for, write it down. It's in the Bible. In the Bible, it say write it down. It's in Boy, that was good. No. It's in Habakkuk 2:2. It say, write the vision and make it plain, so that he who reads it will run to it. And even though it may tarry may take a long time, wait for it, for surely it will come at an appointed time. You got to write it down. You work towards your goal, write it down, and keep the faith. That's the cheat code right there. I just gave it to you. I just gave you the cheat code. I'm gonna tell y'all this. YouTube probably saved my life. Because before YouTube, I didn't have no goals, no real goals. I was nothing. I was always depressed, down about something, you know. I was on that last time they took a flat about to wave me on in the hell, I'm telling you that. But I thank God. He brought me out of whatever I was in. But you gotta really want that though. Oh, chef, now I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. You should be ashamed of yourself for making this pasta like that. You really should. But I know you're not though, but you should be. I know you're not. Oh my God. Y'all know what I'm finna say. I'm gonna tell y'all right here. I'm gonna cut this camera off, right? With this food, just a little bit of pasta left. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 wings left. And a couple bites of corn, right? First meal of the day, last meal of the day, right? I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then I'm gonna sit here for probably about another 10 minutes editing and all that. We'll start editing anyway. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be doing this, what I'm doing right now. I don't know what it is about it that if you're sitting in front of the food, you just gotta eat it. Why is that? You know you're full, but since the food is right there in your face, you continue to eat it. I don't know why people do that. Oh man. What? Boy. Boy, that pepper in that. Boy, that pepper with that raw, hold that. I'm gonna take you boy up out of here. Alright, little too baby. Boy, that little pepper. That little pepper rock my world. Shove that with that pepper. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, wow. Oh. Whoo. Y'all, excuse me. Yo, that pepper almost took me up out of him. Oh, man. It went down the wrong pipe or something. Oh, my God. Y'all have to excuse me. Y'all already know. Everything y'all see on here is raw and uncut. I'm not editing nothing out because I'm not doing it. I could have easily cut all that out, but nope. There's one thing y'all know about me. Whatever y'all see, whatever happens, it's just what it is. I know a lot of y'all gonna say, King, stop eating. Nope. Yo, that little pepper was no joke. I still can feel it. I can get up out of here because that don't make no sense. Y'all wrong for that. How many of y'all looked at the screen and asked me was I okay? If you did, I appreciate you. You real MVP. I ain't eating a nail another pepper. It's over with. Stick a bucket me on time! I can't believe it. I can't believe it. The pepper almost took me up out of here. Well, that's my cue right there. Get on up out of there. Get on up out of there. I shouldn't never ate no more of it anyway. I love y'all. If ain't nobody told you today they love you, I love you. Or anybody tell you yesterday they love you, I love you. If ain't nobody told you in 2022 they love you, KinggEATEAT love you. Remember this. Be the best in whatever that you are. Reach for the moon. And if you miss, hang on to a star. I love y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me, that pepper is working. I'ma eat out there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.